Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable notifications for batch mentions on the Facebook app when using your PC. If you've noticed you're not getting alerts when several people mention you in posts or comments, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to adjust notifications for. Once Facebook is open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage everything related to your Facebook account, from privacy preferences to notification controls. Next, click on Settings. This will open a new page filled with different options on the left-hand side of the screen. Take a moment to scroll down until you find Notifications and click on it. Inside the notification section, you'll see several categories like comments, tags, reminders, and others. Now, look for the option called Tags. This section controls how Facebook notifies you when people tag or mention you in posts or comments. Click on Tags and you'll find a feature labeled Batch Mentions. This new feature groups multiple mentions together so you don't get flooded with separate notifications every time someone includes your name in a post. To make sure you don't miss out, simply enable batch mentions by toggling it on. And that's it. You've successfully turned on notifications for batch mentions on Facebook using your PC. From now on, whenever multiple mentions happen, you'll get neatly grouped alerts instead of cluttered ones, making it much easier to stay up to date with your friends and community. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out your other notification settings to fine-tune your Facebook experience exactly how you like it.